Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. I hope you're all well at home. Here we go then. We are back with the results of Guess Dan's coins. There was 5 coins up for guessing over the course of the weekend, and let's get them turned over before we see who scored those points. The first coin then was the 2019 Shield, followed up with Paddington outside the Tower of London. The next coin from 2003, I might have tricked you with this one. It is indeed the Seated Britannia, and I do think that everybody went for the suffragettes on that one, so I do apologise. The next coin is the 1918 representation of the People's Act, and finally, the 2017 commemorative was the Tom Kitten Crazy Eyes indeed. So what we're going to do now, quickly pause the video, and then we will get on to see who scored points on the daily leaderboard, and we'll see who has made it into the top 20 today. Here we go then everyone, we are back with the daily and overall leaderboard. Scoring points, we have got Chloe, Andy and Dylan all scoring 1. Smithy, Norman Graham, Alan Jenkins, Terence Day, Curtis McElroy, Martin Dack and Wally Robson scoring 2. Ian Strudwick got 3, but Yellow Lighthouse again on a roll. 4 correct out of the 5, and I'm sure that will be moving you up the leaderboard. As always, we will look at the top 20. Kerry and Wally should be the other way around. I do apologise for that. Norman Graham then on 50 has made it into the top 10. Martin Dack only 1 away on 49. Norman is trying to hunt down Andy. He's on 51. Alan is on 52. Smithy and Dylan 64 Gaming are on 54. Curtis McElroy 57. Ian Strudwick, Yellow Lighthouse tied in 3rd on 59. Terence Day's on 60. Squirreling Coin still on 63, as she actually didn't score any points, and it really is getting close again at the top of the leaderboard. There will be another Guess Dan's coin going up at 6 PM this evening. It will be open until Friday. Definitely don't miss out on that one, and I really do hope you've all enjoyed this game this week. Again, the day belongs to Yellow Lighthouse. 4 out of 5. Definitely not a bad effort indeed. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.